Hey, Tiana here, Mind Body Movement Center. This is a quickie flow movement practice. We're going to use 2 blocks if you've got them. Otherwise, substitute with something similar like a step stool. All right, here we go. It's going to be all in standing, so not a lot of weight on the wrist here. All right, feet about hip width apart. Spread those toes and set them down so you're on the corners of your big toe, outer toe, and your heel. We're going to rise up just to about parallel, palms parallel to the sky. Bring the palms together, bend in the knees, exhale. We're floating forward, hands to blocks. Inhale halfway up, so lengthening that spine. Exhale, find your way down. Hands to prayer again. Little bit of pressure as we rise back up. And release. 2 more times before we hold that forward fold. In breath, out breath. In breath, halfway up. Out breath, find your way down. Bend the knees if they're not already. Hands to prayer. Exhale, rise up slowly. And release. Last one. In breath, out breath. In breath, out breath. Halfway up, in. Exhale down. This time we'll hold that down position if you'd like a few more breaths. You can use the blocks or you can go all the way to the floor. You've got different sizes of those blocks for a good reason. Maybe relax the back of the neck. One more breath. We'll bend those knees, hands to prayer. Exhale, rise up slowly. And release. All right, we're gonna do a little something different here with our squats. So we're gonna draw the feet a little closer together so that your feet are touching. Send the arms out, maybe palms up. We're gonna come down into a mini chair pose and rotate the body open. So not a tremendous roll in the back, but opening of the shoulders. Good, and then come back to center, rise up. We're heading the other way this time. In breath, out breath on the squat, rotate right. Come back to center, back up again. We got 2 more before we hold. So in breath, drop, out breath, rotate. In breath back, out breath, find your way back up. Okay, this time we're going to hold it when we go to the left. So we're going to hold it here and drop your left hand back behind you. So either back of the hand on your sacrum or the top, whatever feels best. And then right hand to the outside of the left thigh. So I'm slightly pressing into that left thigh and hand, opening up the shoulders. 3, 2, 1. Release. Back to center, rise up, release. Full breath in and out before we head to the other side. Good. Rise up, lower down, take it to the right. Right hand back behind, left hand to the outside of the right thigh. Opening from the shoulders and the chest. 3, 2, 1. Release. Whoop. Back to center, rise up. All right, shake it out. I'm going to take the blocks to their higher level, just to prep for this next flow. We'll take the left foot back, the left foot forward, the right leg back. So when we bend in, hip, knee, ankle, all in alignment. Rise up, in breath, greet the sky. Out breath, we're pushing it back down. 2 more. You can always stop halfway without lifting all the way. Okay, this time we're going to bend in and allow that back heel to come off. So you're actually kind of perched on the toes. Reach the arms out to the side, in breath. Out breath, we'll take that same rotation we did in chair. Left hand back behind you, right hand to the thigh. Keep reaching through that heel and opening up the shoulders. One more breath. Good, take it back, forward, in-breath, palms up, lifting. Exhale, take that back heel to the ground, take the hands back behind you. Inhale, open. Exhale, bend in. And we're gonna lift onto the toes to open and then back to the heel. So this little glide created by the front knee and the back ankle. Next time in, we're gonna hold it. One breath. Good, glide back. Release the arms, step it forward. Make any little adjustments, meet in mountain. One breath to reset. Good. Right foot forward, left foot back. Great, let's go 3 times. Warrior 1, rise up, in breath. Out breath, push it down, straighten the front leg. Good, next time rise up. Allow the back heel to lift. Take the arms down to parallel. Rotate towards the right. Take the right hand back behind you, left hand to that right thigh. So you're on the back toes, opening from the shoulders. Just enough effort, not too much. One more breath. Okay, we'll come back. Release, take the hands back behind you, change them, one clasp over. You take an inhale, exhale, glide through. So you're gonna glide forward, pushing off that back, toes, and then back to straight. Good, last one, we hold it here. One more breath. Good, release. Step it back, make any little adjustments, find mountain pose, one breath. Great. Let's take the right leg forward again, take the left foot back. This time we're gonna head forward. So in breath, open up, exhale, we're gonna offer forward, so you're gonna swim the arms, take them down towards the block. Blocks, plural. Lengthen the front knee, inhale, and exhale, go ahead and bend. So you're gonna move in and out of this. The back stays relatively flat. Next time we lengthen, we're gonna pause there. You're welcome to go lower if you're able to, maintaining that flat back position. One more breath. Good, bending the front leg. We're gonna rise up slowly. Inhale, exhale, release. Step it back, make any adjustments, meet in mountain, one breath. All right, left foot forward, right leg back. Good. We're gonna rise up, bend in to offer forward, so nice long back. Take the hands down. In breath, we're gonna lengthen that front leg. Exhale to bend. You'll notice I said lengthen. It does not mean it needs to be straight today or ever. This next time, we're gonna hold it when it goes straight again and find your comfort spot, your contentment spot. Just enough effort. Back hip hugs forward, front hip hugs back. Good, in breath. Out breath, bend that knee. Rise up slowly. Exhale, release, step it back. Make any little adjustments, meet in mountain, one breath. All right, we're gonna take the legs out wide. Maybe just 2 more poses here. Take the legs out wide, the blocks are in front. We're gonna rise up, in breath, out breath, release down. Toes are slightly in, heels are slightly out, or feet are parallel to the mat, whatever feels most nourishing. I'm gonna take the blocks out in front, like a little teepee, and send the hips back. And then we're gonna glide a little bit towards the hands. It might be your in breath, and then your out breath, you're gonna head back towards your heels. It does not have to be as big of a motion as I'm doing. It could be smaller. Next time we head back into the heels, we're going to pause there. You could certainly be down lower on the blocks or even the floor. Knees are slightly bent and send that tailbone skyward. One more breath. Start to walk back up and use my blocks to get me there. I'm going to heel toe in a bit, knees bent, and then exhale to rise up slowly. All right, step it in, meet me in mountain for one breath to reset. All right, last one, we're going to add 2 different poses together. See if you can do it. You could have a wall behind you. I'm going to just show you without. So it's like a standing pigeon. Standing legs a little bit bent. We're going to cross that ankle over. I'm actually going to cross the left arm over the right, coming into eagle arms with that pigeon leg. Now you can certainly just be resting here, or maybe doing this version. So pick one or the other if doing them together is a bit too much in this moment. Good, we're going to release the arms, take a stretch for a breath here, see if you can get a little lower, and then exhale, rise, release. All right, off to the other side, so squat down. You can always take this in a chair too, so seated versus hovering. So we're going to cross the right arm over if the left leg is over. Find your eagle arms and your pigeon leg. Breathing. Great, let go of the arms and just rest, see if you can get a little lower with that leg. All right, and release. All right, shoulder rolls, send the legs out a little bit wider. In breath, out breath, come back to center. All right, there you have a little flow pose to release your day. Namaste.